Alright, so for the past 3.5 months, I've been focusing more on journaling my trades, trying to understand and know them clearly, and keeping and studying records of my past history was an eye-opener because I actually managed to figure out a lot of hidden secrets that I didn't know about my trading style, and that really helped me to be a better trader than I was before. And I do encourage everyone who want to be a full-time trader or who want to take trading seriously in the long run, start journaling. Okay, anyways, I've got these two video which I posted on my channel, and I was talking about the B.O.R, which simply mean bullish open rejection, or bearish open rejection. This is the strategy which I'm currently using right now. So I was raising accounts as small as the first one was $51. I took it to 113, and then the second one was $3.98, and I took it to 400. The secret behind this amazing skill is just perfect timing and patience. And you know, my strategy can give you best results, and also vice versa, the other way around. It only depends on how exactly you are applying it. Like if you follow the step-by-step analytic procedure without jumping any stage, trust me, the results won't disappoint. So after uploading these two videos, I received a lot of messages from people requesting full explanation on how exactly I do it. And you know, one thing about me, I'm mature enough to know that there's too much money in the market, and we lose nothing by sharing information. And at the end of the day, it feels good when the whole team is winning. So I'm gonna give it to you right now, so you better stick to the video to the end. Okay, by the way, I'm TC Forex from Certified Traders. Welcome back to the one and only best trading channel for boom and crash. If you are new right here, this channel provides you with the best trading skill, knowledge, and strategy for you to trade anything as long as it is a graph. Okay, this was a $15 account, and you wanna see how I get to the point of holding $316 floating profits. Well, let me take you through the process. Right here is volatility 75 chart before I took the trade. Okay, and everything I'm gonna say on this chart is based on how the candlestick were being formed. And if you check on the green square on the chart, you can see that those candlesticks simply mean that after the market reached a certain level, it failed to keep on going down. And this type of candlestick with a long tail are called bullish rejection. Okay, and every time you see this appearing on any chart, usually the market changes direction. Like if you check what happened after appearing of this bullish rejection candlesticks, it changed direction and it started going all the way up. Okay, so let us go to the next candlestick and see. Same applies right here. The market was going down nicely with a long candlestick with momentum, and as soon as that bullish rejection candlestick was formed, there was a little bit consolidation, and all of a sudden it just went up. That's how this candlestick powerful are. So we just noticed that the market bounced on the same level twice, and we can conclude by saying this zone is a strong support. And if it happens that it bounced twice, what can stop it to bounce again for the third time? So let us wait and see. So after seeing all this candlestick formation, I didn't rush to press buy. I had to look for another confirmation, and right here the other confirmation that I used was a trend line, and this one was an inner trend line. Okay, so let me show you how exactly I managed to locate the points which I drew my trend line. So of all the points which was on the previous history, this peak was the one which was clear, so I had to use it as the first peak of the trend line. In the process of doing further analysis, I came across another zone which had bullish and bearish rejection candlestick. So I had to use that zone as the second peak of the trend line to make it valid. You know, a trend line is considered to be valid when it connects first two touches, and then the rest will follow. and that's how I came up with that inner trend line. And as of now, I'm pretty sure that my explanation is still clear, no any confusion, because this is just simple stuff. So I ended by position on my $15 account. This was the analysis. So I had to leave the market and do its thing, and we'll come and check later.
A few moments later.
Alright, so VC5 was misbehaving, so I held it for some hours, and this is the results. I raised it from $15. Now it's on 41, just like that. Simple analysis, okay? And I just proved to you that for you to make money in the market, you don't need a complicated system with main confirmation. Just a simple strategy with simple analysis. Trust me, you will make money, okay? So right now, let me close at $37. Alright, so on the previous trade, I closed this account at 36. So right now, I want to try to double or triple this $36 trading volatility 150 s. The analysis was easy. Like I just did the same analytic procedure which I did on the volatility 75 pair, and you can see that's where the area where I'm putting my buys. This is a strong support, okay? This is a strong support. On the previous support, the market failed to break below this level. And I'm going to apply the candlestick formation. And you can see that the candlestick which is being formed right now is a rejection candlestick, which means the market might fail to break below that level. And that's a nice opportunity for buying, okay? So I'm gonna buy and see if the market is going to respect my analysis, okay? And after that, put it an inner trend line as the second confirmation, okay? The reason why I drew my trend line like that is I just applied the candlestick formation pattern, and then I connected an area which had many candlesticks which were showing rejection, okay? And usually if the setup comes like this, it rarely disappoints. So let us wait and see.
A few moments later.
So about 8 to 9 hours later, these are the results from the setup. But what really happened is there was a small retracement, so other position closed due to margin call, because when I opened this trade, it had or this position had a margin of $8, but right now the margin is $7. Anyways, I'm gonna close at 338. So I saw another setup on volatility 10s, and if you are looking on this chart, there is a bearish rejection area which shows that the market is failing to break above that level. So we all know after the formation of this candlestick with long tail, it's a sign that volatility 1s is going to say what, okay? It's going to say what. So let us enter our sales, and I'm anticipating it to go all the way down, and let's wait and see if the market is gonna respect the B.O.R strategy, but I believe in it.
A few moments later.
Well, I believe in B.O.R. You can see that everything is perfect. Everything is flowing. No sweat, no stress, okay? So right now the account is on 530, and I guess this is the right time to close this trade. I don't want to be greedy, okay? So let me close volatility. Let me close volatility 10-1s at 500. Okay? So this is how I raise my account, okay? Deposit $15, profit 500, simple like that, okay?